I'm tired, options are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't fake what's left to do. Truth is I'm weak, no strength to fight, no tears to cry. Even if I tried, but still my soul refuses to die. One touch will change my life. Take me to the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart's torn to pieces. It's my offering. Lay me at the throne. Leave me there alone to gaze upon your glory and sing you to this song. Please take me to the King. Even though we know that Ariel and Eric are not going to be together at this time, Ariel must return home to her father to repair the damage that has been done. You see, Ariel ran away from home to be with Eric. And even though Eric is under the spell of Ursula for now, Ariel must sever her ties with Eric, leave him with the sea witch, and return to Atlantis. Stay tuned. More adventures of Ariel. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That's Princess Ariel. And at YouTube. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.